Aloha mai kākou, ke kala e lua o malaki, e po'a lua ke ia. And today we're going to be going over ʻŌpaʻa number 21. Again, we're in the beginning of March, so mahina ʻŌLELO Hawaii is pau, but don't think that the kuleana to ʻŌLELO or to learn ʻŌLELO or share ʻŌLELO is pau, and it's going to keep going until you want to stop, which hopefully is never. But yeah. Try and make it makahiki ʻŌLELO Hawaii or ola ʻŌLELO Hawaii or however long you want to speak Hawaiian. Yeah. You guys know the drill. We're going to be going over Pepeke, ʻAike, which we know we learned before, but we're just going to do some more review and some more new things that we can do with the Pepeke, ʻAike structure. So yeah, that's going to be fun. We'll do some breakout room stuff too. And then, yeah, aloha mai kākou e naha mana. Welcome again to our ʻAʻa ʻŌLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. If you please type your answers, you know the drill. Your ʻOwai koinoa, no ho'oi ihea, where you're joining us from. And yeah, we'll get started in a little bit. I know we have a new face or a new person. Maybe when we go into our breakout rooms, you can roll out a little bit. Yes, this is 20, yeah? Kapua. Okay.
Yeah, I think just these slides have the correct date and stuff. It should say 20 at the front.
Oh, got it. Okay, I can change that later. Okay. Arloina, can I call on not Makamai, she's driving. Can I call on Haley? Can you read this for us, please?
Aloha kekahi, love one another. We are in ohana. Do you want me to keep going or no?
Yeah, just read them off, please.
Ho'ihi aku, ho'iki mai, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat. E kulia I kanu'u, strive to be the very best you can be. And ʻAʻa I ka ʻŌLELO mai hila hila. Dare to speak, don't be shame in class.
Okay, mahalo. And our kunihi, does anyone want to start us who didn't get to start us yet? Carly.
Can you do that? Hang on. Okay. Kuni kamona ha. Kuni kamona I kala ie o ai ale lai wai kia ela I kalani kapapa ai o koe kini. Ai ela e no na lo karipoa lola mo ko kapae. Mai pa'i ka leo, he ole ka hea mai e.
E hea I ke kānaka e komomāloko, e hana ia hewe koha, e ano kaupula o ka leo, a he leo ka le noe. Good job, you two, my kai. Okay. So a review, let's do, I know we went over this last time, but let's just try again. This time we're not going to write it out. We're just going to call on each other and say and ask one of the questions. Okay, so let's all look at the questions right here. So here's how it's going to go. I'm going to call on someone. They're going to answer. Then if you guys if you guys open participants, there should be like a blue, like a raise your hand kind of thing. If you guys know how to raise your hand, that might help so we don't call on the same person. Does that make sense? Okay, if not, just remember who you call on, okay? So I'm gonna call on Carrie. Heaha kau ki'ionioni punahele. And here's the answer up here. Thank you, Erika.
O Rocky ka'u ki'ionioni punahele.
Okay, mahalo. Now you can call someone.
April, heaha kau mea inu punahele.
no. Oka vai ko'u punahele. Oh, sorry, inu punahele.
Yeah.
Mea inu.
Now you can call on someone. And then if you guys know Carrie, you know where it says reactions? Turn on the raise your hand. It should be like a blue button. I don't know if everyone wants to try. Yeah. The area Erika has it. So
Kapua.
yeah, there you go.
Heaha ko vai ho'olu'u punahele.
O ka poni ka uwai ho'olu'u punahele.
Okay.
Okay. So wait, we're doing raise hands if you have already gone.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Pamela. Let's see. Heaha ko mele punahele.
Today,
Yeah.
o koali ka o mele punahele.
Okay.
Mililani. He aha kau puke punahele.
No.
He aha kau puke punahele.
Baibale. Punahele. Ko'u. Punahele.
Okay. Bala, yeah. Okay, you can choose someone. I don't think we're gonna get to everyone. We'll just probably do like 3 more. So yeah, anyone, Mililani.
Anyone? Okay. Kailani? Heaha kau mokupuni punahele.
Is it Mokupuni? Punahele?
Hi.
Ako pwede pa na.
Or Big Island? Punahele?
Okay, okay. You can choose someone. Oh, thank you. You want anyone or who doesn't have their hand raised?
Someone raising hand. One. Okay, Tami? Heaha kau punahele?
Heaha?
Pua.
Heaha kau
Oh. O puamelia ka'u punahele.
Yeah. And you're the last one. You can call on the last person.
Okay, I gotta go look. Hello, everybody's there. Okay. Ana ke Mililani?
I think she went already.
Oh, she did? Okay.
I've just never had her hand up.
Lehi Ilani. He aha kau puke punahele.
O ka baibala ka'u puke punahele.
Yeah.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Okay, good job, everyone. So good review. Hopefully that one's, again, this is kind of easy. It's the same question, same kind of answer, you just fill in the blanks. But I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna show you the card on this, the card, and you're gonna translate it in the chat. So everyone put it on private. So, you know, we're just kind of practicing. But yeah, these are actions of aloha cards if you got here late. So yeah, we're just gonna practice translating. So let's see. You guys can translate this. E ho'o ma kākou. E ho'o ma kākou. And then I'll call on some of the people who never got to answer, read their translation. Good. Okay, Carly, you can read yours.
Get ready.
Get ready. Okay, good. Let's try this one. Nani loa oi I ke iala. Nani loa oi I ke iala. What does that translate to? Good. Okay, Bianca, you wanna go? Oh.
Yeah. You look very pretty today.
Job. Yeah, you look beautiful. You look very pretty. Same thing. Thank you. Okay, let's try. This one. Aloha vo ya oi. Ya. Okay, easy. Pu Mahalo.
It says, I love you.
Yep, easy. Let's try this one. Oh, this one's kind of new. E como mai. E como mai. Yeah, reef, good. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it means the same thing, what you guys are putting. That works. Oh, that couple. Can you read both of those that you made, or both of those that you said?
It means like come inside, but also use it to say like welcome.
Yeah, so both of those. Come inside or welcome. Okay, do a couple more just for review, or kind of maybe not review. Maybe these are new. Try this one. You guys learned this one already. Yeah, there's a couple ways you can translate this. So that, yeah. Okay. Don, you want to read your version?
I said, where do you work?
Yep. And then select one, and then Shalena, you want to read yours? Or let's go to.
Did you call me?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing?
Okay. So yeah, Don, but I only had one on the definition, so yeah, you're good. Okay, let's try some from English to Hawaiian. We'll just do like 3. Oh, these aren't so hard. Okay, this one. So I am proud of you. Give me the Hawaiian. I am proud of you. This one's a little tricky. Just letting you know there's a, yeah, I think you guys got it. There's a ya in there. There's a ya in there. Yes, Erika. Good. Okay, Erika, you wanna go?
Ka'aheo ia oe.
Yep, ka'aheo au ia oe. Good. These are pretty easy then. Oh, here's one. For maybe kind of tricky, but Not cherished, more like best, but I know everyone takes so fast. Good job, Reef. This one's kind of tricky, but Reef get Kavik's get Kavik's you got the ka'u, or it's gonna be ko'u, but in this case I put the beloved one, so just for you to know. Okay, good. Reef, can you read yours?
O'oi ku'u ho'opili?
Yeah, you got him right on the nose. O'oi ku'u ho'opili. So it's a little bit different. Everyone was saying like he ku'u hoa oi or he punahele ho'opili. It's fine. Yeah, it's kind of another version of saying. Okay, let's try one more. No. Let's do. Oh, this one's kind of fun. You're smart. You're kind. You are smart. You are important. Try your best. From what movie? If you can get one movie. Yes. But you is kind. You is smart. Good. Yeah. Important is kind of tricky. But if anyone can go vehe real fast. It starts with a K, if that helps. Oh, there's another important that starts with a K. Okay. Who got it the closest? I'm gonna tell Haley. So Haley, can you read yours?
Olu olu oi, akamai oi, ka'apeha oi.
Good. So ka'apeha, I never heard that word before, but I chose ko'i ko'i. But yeah, ka'apeha works too, if that's what it says on vehe vehe. Okay, what movie is that, Carly? You know? Oh, you know. I mean, sorry, Haley.
The house!
Jesus, someone help me. Okay, good. So yeah, we'll try and do that again. We have 52 cards, so that was only about 8 or 10. So yeah, we'll do that next class too. Alrighty, so let's get into our lesson. Yeah, that was fun. Thank you. Let's get into our lesson, which is going to be Pepeke ʻAike. Again, we went over this before, so this is kind of a review. And if you think about it, it's very simple, but we haven't been doing structures for a while since we were on the me'e last month. So we'll just go slowly right back into it, and then next week we'll bam with the new structure, hiki. Okay. So yeah, here's our ʻŌLELO no ʻEau. Can you read our ʻŌLELO no ʻEau, please, Genesis?
Aloha. He ali'i ka aina, he kaua, ke kanaka, land is sheep and man is a servant. What does this ʻŌLELO know? This know?
Yeah. So what does it mean to you? I'm sure you heard this before. If not, yeah, it's a good one to know because especially here in Hawaii, Hele Ka'aina, He Kaua Ke Kanaka, we have that relationship with the land that we take care of each other. Yeah, Kaviks. And I'm gonna actually call in Lena Girl if you can, because I know the name of the CD is kind of like Ola Ka'aina, but there's a song on there that has Heli Ka'aina from Kanilea. So yeah, if you can just share what you think about this ʻŌLELO no ʻEau.
Me now?
Yeah.
For myself, I've always considered this ʻŌLELO no ʻEau as something that my family has lived because we have plenty mahi'ai and lawai'ai and my ohana.
Yeah.
Farmers and fishermen in my family. But for every time you take care of the land, it will care for you. Your family can live, your family can prosper. When you don't take care of it, it doesn't give back. It starts to sicken and die. So that's a good reminder of those things.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, anyone else want to share? I mean, Kavik, take care of the land take care of you. Erika, can you explain yours? Sorry.
Sure. So I put the world is bigger than you and just your needs. So like take care of this shared place, but also other people. The idea that like anywhere you go, the land can also stand in for your community, your lahui, your people as well. There are things that are bigger than you that you always need to be taken care of.
Yeah, exactly. So if you think about it, you know, we're not the only indigenous people. A lot of indigenous people feel the same way about the land, and OEV people. So yeah, I'm sure this is ʻŌLELO no ʻEʻAO can be felt throughout many different cultures and nations. Okay. All right, so let's get into our lesson, Pepeke ʻAike he. Again, we know how to do this already because we had a couple lessons where we introduced it. We didn't really go into detail with it, but that's what this lesson is for, okay? So our first one, or a question. So how would you describe yourself? Like, just plain out, how would you just describe yourself? You can either put that privately or publicly to everyone. So for me, I would say happy, maybe giving, and talented. Yeah. So three, those are my three. Yeah, if you can choose 3 words, that's a good one. Good. Yeah, easy stuff. Yeah, because this is gonna go into kind of our activity later on. So just if you can, yeah, good. Just 3 words, my kai. English is fine, Hawaiian is fine. But no, first and foremost, for me, he Hawaii'o. That's how I would describe myself no matter what. He Hawaii'o, mau mau, I am a Hawaiian forever and ever. I am a Hawaiian, period, per, no questions asked. So that's going to take us into our first set of slides. And we're going to talk about our ethnicities first and foremost, because no matter what, that you can never take away. Whatever you are, whatever you're built, whatever your building blocks are, that's who you are, okay? And for me, he Hawaii'o and he Pakeo. So we're going to review that sentence structure. We use this to say our job. Remember when we said he kumuao or he pueneo or he pailakao? Well, we can do that same thing for our Hawaiian, or sorry, our ethnicities, okay? So just, if you don't know your ethnicity in Hawaiian, you can just say it in English for now. But for me, he Hawaii'o, let's try that same thing. So, he komau lahui, what are your ethnicities? That's our question. Can you fill in this one? He blank au. Maybe you gotta look up what Japanese is in Hawaiian, but you may know. So using this picture, what is that showing? Good. Yeah. Okay. Good. Pamela, you want to read the answer? Heha ko maula hui. So the answer for this picture right here.
He kepani au.
He kepani au. Good. So I am a Japanese. So kepani is Japanese, like kind of just the name, but it can also be like a Japanese person, Japanese person in quotation marks. Okay. So let's do some examples over here. You can try translate these 5. Maybe do it in private. So no need. No cheating. And then we'll all answer our own individual ones later on. Hey, you may think, how come you don't have a kanaka in the thing? You don't need to, okay? Hawaii shows that you're that race or that person. Okay. Yeah, I should have put that word reef. Good. Yeah, easy stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna call on a few. The first one we all got. He Hawaii, I am Hawaii. Okay, let's try the second one. Who got the second one? Leina Ala. What is number 2 show? Can you read it first?
He kākou, I am Chinese.
Good. Okay, third one. Can we go to Bianca? Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. He Kamoa ame haoleo. I am Samoan and white.
So the reason why we saying ame is because it's 2 nouns. Yeah, it's descriptive, but you're saying I am a Samoan and a Hawaiian, so those are considered nouns. So that's why we have ame over here, and that's gonna come in handy when you say your own race later on. Okay. All right. Let's do number 4, and I'm gonna call on Pamela just because it just makes sense.
I'm a Mexican. He Mexico au.
He Mexico au. And then the last one, kind of tricky. Maybe you may not have known these words, but oh, there you go, Tammy. You wanna try?
I'm British and French. He pelekania ame palani au.
Perfect. He pelekane ame palani au. Okay, so now I'm gonna have you guys write all of your ethnicities. Write them out. So for me, my answer would be He Hawaii ame Pākehā. I'm just those 2. So if you have more than 2 or 3, or if you have more than 2, you're gonna say He Hawaii Kepani ame Pākehā. Okay. Oh yeah, Kina, China. I'm a China. That's fine, Lena. Good. Yeah, see how we can. If you can share this privately, if that's. I'm sorry, publicly, if that's okay, so everyone can see. Again, that's what I love about Hawaii and this class is that we're a melting pot. So it's good to see everyone's races. And I do want to eventually get to know more of my Chinese heritage and language and Mandarin and whatnot. So hopefully my China Mandarin will come out next year. Yeah. Lena Ala, Okay, so anyone here, let me just call on some of you. So those of you who never went yet. Let's go to Kaviks. Heha ko maula hui. Heha ko maula hui. And the reason why we said ko is because you cannot really choose it. You'll always be born with your ethnicities, yeah? So, Kaviks.
Hiki ke lohe.
Yeah.
E Hawaii, Kepani, Filipino, Kelemania, ame Blackfoot au.
Oh, awesome. Can you ask that same question to Iolani?
Heha ko maula hui e Iolani.
He Hawaii, Pake, Filipino, ame Kelemania au.
Okay, can you ask Lehua?
Aloha e Lehua, he aha ko maula hui.
He kipani au.
Okay, if you wanted to say full, your full one race, you can say he kepani. You guys want to guess? Anyone know? How do you say full?
Piha.
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 Pihao. Yeah. He kepani pihao. Yeah. Lehua, can you ask Stacy? She's actually with April, but can you ask Stacy?
Stacy, he aha ko maula hui.
Aloha, he
Pepeke ʻame kepani ʻAʻA.
Okay. And then let's do one more. Can you call on? Makama, are you driving?
ʻAʻole.
Okay, yeah, Makama.
Makamai, he aha kou maolahui.
Aloha, he Hawaii a me Pākehā.
Yeah, Chinese Hawaiian thingy. Okay, good. So now we know how to say those are races. Is that new to some of you? Raise your hand if that was new. I mean, you knew how he Hawaii are, but the other ones, yeah. Now you know how to say what you are. So that's good. Okay, so again, we learned this one. He ohain. We have our oihana, so our occupation, and this is a review because we did oihana back in like 9 or 10 ʻOPAʻa. So you're gonna say he oihas he, then your occupation. Oh. So that's why these are kind of easy because the he shows the is a, au or emma, au is I, so I am a whatever. Yeah. So can you guys all type in your occupation? Pehakau hana, where do you work? Yeah, Leona, you can just say hey Amelika. Yes, kapua. Oh, we have a lot of kumos. I didn't realize how much kumos we have on this. It's great. I guess in a way we're all kumos, yeah. Yeah, okay, kumu. Oh, nice. Counselor is kumu ʻAʻo. Kumu ʻAʻo. Okay, so we tried this with the A class, or sorry, the B class, where they just all turn on their mic and said their answers at once. So I'm gonna try that with you guys. He aha kau hana. Ready, go.
He kanaka anai.
He meow, ʻŌLELO.
He kanaka kia kamai.
Leo.
Kia.
Beautiful. Yeah. Awesome. All right. Okay, so we're gonna take that a little step further, and we're going to say how we are as that. We're gonna describe how we are as that occupation. So here, let's add one more descriptive part to the sentence. So that's gonna be he oihana. After the oihana, you're gonna put a descriptive, an a'ano, and then ao. So if I said he kumu, thank you. He kumu hauʻoliau. That would be I am a happy teacher. Okay. Again, it's kind of weird when you have it in the English order like this, but pretty much I am a happy teacher. Okay, so how would you describe? No worries, Makamai. You can just say makuahine. Yeah, you know. How would you describe yourself as in your occupation? So yeah, good. Yeah, make it public if you can. So for me, I try to be a kumu hauʻoli, he kumu hauʻoliau. I'm a happy teacher. But I am actually a he kumu hoʻonaukiukiau. I'm an irritated teacher. Not with you guys, with my high school kids. Good. Ooh, strict. What is strict? Pakiki? I don't know. Nice. Good. Oh, that's a good one, April. Can you read yours, please? Hiahakau hana.
Where did I put it? He kumu papa I lima au.
Good. So instead of saying ʻAʻano, she said more descriptive that she's a 5th grade teacher. So that's perfect. Let's go to yeah, puamohala. I like yours.
He mea hula hula how oli ow.
Great, thank you. Let's go Iolani. Because I did not, I mean, I knew you were electrician, but I didn't know you were electrician. So, yeah.
I am a electrician.
You are the electrician.
He kanaka hana wila akamai au.
Yeah. Okay, and then let's jump to, good, Erika. Erika, is that for? I'm strict. So, Tammy, try read yours.
He makua hine strict out.
Erika put ʻŌLELO. Yeah, that's correct.
How do you, kalamai, but how do you know which one to use? Is it?
Yeah, it's kind of like it's not gonna be the. Don't think it's the first one. Yeah,
Okay.
you're gonna have to like kind of.
And does it make a difference? Say, for instance, like, you know, there's sometimes you don't need to use the ho'o to the
So yeah, so ma'e is clean. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
and then ho'o ma'e means too clean. So the ho'o usually makes like a verb.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
the descriptive into an action, if that. Yeah, which.
Yeah.
I mean, that's another thing to go into. So yeah, thank you.
Okay. Mahalo.
Can I ask?
Yeah.
The way I had like in my head was the ho'o is like in English when you have en or em in front of a verb, like enable or empower.
Mm-hmm.
It's like taking that power or able and making it into a verb. Is that like the same way to think of it?
Yeah, it is. It's just, I mean, like clean. I guess. Yeah, if you think about it that way, but you can't really directly translate it. It still works like that. Yeah. Because there's another thing that makes it an ing, which is ana, which we'll get into later. But yeah, Hawaiian is tricky, but yeah, because I think we're just all so stuck in English that it's very hard to get out of that box. But once we start thinking in a Hawaiian mindset, then we're gonna get, we're gonna be able to look at the dictionary and be like, oh yeah, that one makes sense, or that word makes sense. Yeah. Okay, and then kapua, I like yours. So can you read yours?
But you didn't even tell me if it made sense.
It does. It does.
He kui kuhi puone kulao. I'm an architect who designs schools.
Period. Okay. Yeah, keep that in mind, or keep these sentences that you guys are writing for our breakout room later on. Okay, so try this one. Give me the answer for he hakau hana. He hakau hana. Right, Yolani? Isn't that awesome? So fill in the blank with he student smart ʻAʻA. He student smart ʻAʻA. And then I think you guys can all claim that you're a smart student, yeah? Some of you told me on the side that you hated school, real school, but you like this kind of school, so that's good. Yeah. I like school, I just hate the papers. Like, if we didn't have papers and all that stuff, projects, then I'd be a doctor. That's true, Erika. I put off grading one project for a month. And my students were like, come on, are we gonna get it back? It was like, I just canceled it. Shh, don't tell. Oh, true that. You and your math could never. Carly, please get out.
They have online calculators for that now. You just type in the numbers, no need to do the math.
Yeah. FB minus X3R, yeah. Okay, so he hakau hana, what is this occupation? Reef, you want to give us the answer?
He haumana akamayau.
Yes, he haumana akamayau. Okay, so let's do some practice ones. Hopefully you guys remember this, these words from when we did it. But 30 seconds goes on. Haley. Oh, Haley. I thought that was Carly. Haley, that's okay. Carly typed it. Fired. Yeah, that's there is. I was going for another one that starts with the E, but no. And yeah. Okay, good. So again, he aha kauhana, what is your occupation? The first one, can you give it to us, Haley?
What do you do?
Sorry, the second one, my bad.
I am an energetic farmer.
I'm an energetic farmer. He mahiai ʻELELO. Don, you want to try the second one?
I am a good singer.
Yep, I am a good singer. The third one, we have a lot of good mothers in here, but let's call on Yolani.
He ʻikaika makua hine au.
One more time, try. Switch
He
the,
makua hine ʻikaika au.
Perfect. And then this one's a little harder, trickier, but they're really good. Let's try. Who's a good chef? I don't even know. Lena Ala? Oh, she's gone. Erika? No, she went to go buy food today, so she's not. Nah, just kidding. Erika. I was gonna say Kapua, but she burnt her beef stew.
I don't think any of your kākou are like really good chefs, kumu. But I tried he kuke mai kaʻino au.
What is really? You guys got really? You know is
like
loa.
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 Okay, so he kuke mai kai loa au.
Yes, good. Okay. No, I never. Yes, you did. Okay. Okay, so we have that sentence already for our.
Just because I don't put mayonnaise in my beef stew. Cool.
Yeah, who puts mayonnaise on their beef stew and rice? Raise your hand. Okay, 3 of us. Okay. What about your chili and rice?
That's what I'm having for dinner with mayonnaise.
It belongs in chili.
So what kind of mayonnaise? Chili though. What?
Best food.
Best food. Gotta be. Okay, perfect. All right, so this next part is we're going to be describing like little emojis and characters. So it's the same thing. Instead of saying your oihana, you're going to say a kikino, which is a noun, and then ano again, and then keia, which means this. Yeah, so what is this saying? He ilio ele keia. Yes, this is a black dog. This is a black dog. Okay. So let's try that same thing with this. I mean, you can tell in the picture what it is. But heha keia, what is this? Heha keia, what is this? Good. Yes, good. Easy kind teams. Okay. Who get them? I'm gonna call on each FC. Is that Haleaka? Oh, that is Haleaka. Yeah.
Yes, it's me.
Aloha.
Aloha, everybody. He popoki mele keia.
Perfect. He popoki mele keia. So simple, easy. I think before we just did he popoki keia, but now we're just adding that descriptive again. Okay. Okay. Try to do this. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some cards that can help us. I know this seems very like simple, but I just wanted to review it. They didn't actually teach a lesson about it. I just threw it into other things. So yeah. Good job. There you go. Okay, quickly, just gonna run through them. Nikala, you want to give us this? So heakeia means, what is this? You want to try this one?
Sure. Hey ʻAʻuliuli keia. So this is a dark fish?
Yeah,
Oh, blue fish. Blue fish.
Blue fish, good.
Blue.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm gonna call on Leona. You want to try this next one?
Which one is it? That red bird.
So yeah, that
over there. It's a red bird over there. That far.
That is a red bird.
Okay. Okay, good job. The giraffe one. Who got that? Oh shoot, I did. Oh yeah. Mililani. Yeah.
I forgot giraffe.
Oh.
Giraffe.
Yeah.
Giraffe.
Tall.
Lo ihi keia.
Good. Kilape. So he kilape lo ihi keia. Okay, and that is a brown bear. Bianca.
He pea makue ke la.
Good. Okay, so before we create our own sentence, give me this one. And I'm gonna have you guys try with another noun, with another adjective. So this is a pink and fat pig. This is a pink and fat pig. This is a pink and fat pig. Carly, it's for you. Good. Okay, Genesis. Good job. You want to try Genesis?
Yes. Hepua akala momona keia.
Good. Hepua akala momona keia. Let's try 2 more. Let's do that far is a gray and wise owl. Ooh. Hoot, hoot. Hoot, hoot, hoot. That is a gray and wise owl. Yeah, that's good for wise. And I'll get them. How come my works? Yeah. And Ala, yours is good. Can you read yours?
He pueo a hinahina a no'eao ke la.
Good. Okay, and let's try one more. This is my birth. This is my Chinese zodiac. That near is a fun and brown monkey. Just for the practice. Oh God. Kicking them out. Pull Mahalo, try one more time. So try to do monkey. Good. Good. See, I'm glad you guys remember. So it's good that we're doing a review. So Reef, can you give me yours?
E keko le'a a maku'e kena.
Keko le'a a maku'e kena. Le'a, same thing. So, okay, so just everyone choose an animal, and you can make up your own sentence. and then I'll call on a few of you to read. Again, if you don't know the animal, no worries. You can write it in English. But yeah. Okay, see if you can do one more. Try to see if you can do two. No, two descriptives. Good. Okay, Lina, can you read yours? And can you, when you're done, can you make your sound of the animal? Thanks.
I gun fun it. I should have picked a quiet animal. He elepani a hina hina nui kela.
Yeah. That's perfect. I'm gonna jump to Lena Ala. Yeah. Hey, can you read yours? It's your animal sound.
He nahesa pahe'e a avivi kela. Hiss hiss. Slytherin baby. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm done.
Okay, Kaviks. Come on, Kaviks.
He kolila nui a pupuleau. Aleiki.
Okay, and Carly. Read yours, Carly. Carly.
He kohola nui a uli uli kela. What is that one? How does the one from Dory sound? It's like, where are we going? You know, I don't know if that's what she actually says, but yeah.
Yeah, that's that. Okay, moving on. Thanks, Carly. Okay, so yes, the last part is just going to be the same thing, but instead of saying keia, you're going to say o, a name. Okay, so we're going to use this to describe some cartoon characters that are coming up. So if you wanted to say Woody is a fun cowboy, you would say he paniolo, le'a le'a, or Woody. Okay, so that's kind of having our kikino and our oihana and our a'ano all put into one. Okay, so he paniolo, le'a le'a, or Woody. Woody is a fun cowboy. So let's try this one. There's two questions we're going to answer. Ovai keia, who is this? O blank keia. And then you're going to say, he, happy mouse o Mickey. Okay, so try and translate that. Ovai keia, o blank keia, and describe them. I didn't know you spoke whale. Bilingual. She's trilingual. I speak Hawaiian. Shalena, can you try one more time? So instead of saying hair, you're gonna say this one. Just because it's a name, yeah. Oh, blank keia. Yeah. Good. Carrie, you wanna try? Ovai keia. Oh yeah, so you know, no need to type fast. Sorry, I know everyone's typing whatever, but.
O Mickey keia.
Yeah, oh Mickey keia, and can you describe him?
He iole hauʻoli o Mickey.
Good. Okay, he iole hauʻoli o Mickey. Let's try the next one, which I'm not going to give you the adjective and the noun, so you guys can figure it out. Okay. Try put them on private, just so that everyone, you know. Good, Lenala. Good, Reef. Good, Kapua. Good, Lena. Good, Hilicini. Okay. Pamela. Ovaikeia.
Oh, Piolín Keia. I don't know his name in English.
Oh, you just call him Piolin. I like.
Yes.
I'll call him Tweety. So Tweety, yeah. Okay, and then what is your description and your sound?
He li'i mele mele o Piolín.
Okay, try one more time. So you're just missing the bird part. So.
Oh, all right. He Manu.
Yep. And then everything else is the same. Yeah.
Mele mele li'i li'i.
Oh, Piolin.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And your noise.
Beep, 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 beep.
Awesome. Okay, this one. Ovaikeia. I didn't even, hopefully you know his name. I just found out his name today. When Mana'olana one. No ovo. I know, right? Okay, good. Oh, I like Erika's one. Erika, can you read yours and your sound?
Should have not answered. O porky pig keia. He pua vala o vale o porky pig. He would that I don't know what song he makes. He just talks a lot.
That's all, folks. Is that it?
Yeah, that one.
And,
I'm just gonna cancel myself now.
no, I like how you said, oh, I shouldn't have answered. No, you gotta answer. Hello. Okay, this one. We all know. Oh, I can't wait to call on whoever's gonna do this sound. Maybe I should just do it. No. Ooh, kapua. Okay. I'll call on you. Yes. Kapua, ready? Kapua, just
I was gonna try to find a better word, but
just say it. Yes.
O Maui Keia He Kane Iras O Maui. In
go.
the movie specifically.
Yeah, not in real life.
Because all the you're welcomes.
Oh yeah. Speaking of sound.
That's my sound. You're welcome.
Yes.
But like in the most irritating way. You're welcome.
What can I take it away?
I don't know. Mm-mm.
Fine. What can I say except you're welcome? Okay, and the last one. We learned this a word to describe her. So I many kapu. If I'm Mulan, yeah. Yeah. Ovaikeia and describing her. Oh my god. Yes, Erika. This is my favorite princess, so don't be touched. Don't call her eras. Call her queen period per. Okay, Kapua. I see you. Good. Leona, can you read yours? Ovaikeia.
O vahine koa o Mulan.
Oh, okay. Try one more time. So, not all. Right over here.
Oh, sorry. He vahine koa o Mulan.
Okay. Good. And I guess her song. I don't know.
I didn't know their song is. What is?
My queen. That's all I got. Okay. Yeah, let's just do some of these easy stuff, and then we'll go into our breakout rooms, which I don't even know what we're going to do in our breakout room, so we'll figure it out. I think it's good to always have, you know, images or characters that we're familiar with, and that to help us create our sentences, because, you know, we already know who is going to be this word, or Mushu or Ursula is going to be this word. So yeah, I'll be using those more often. Disney especially, and Marvel, and everything. WandaVision. Okay, let's do a speed round. Kavit, can you read the Hawaiian and your English for the first one?
He pea kiuke o Pooh. Pooh is a cute bear.
Yeah, next. Bianca.
I don't know if I got it right, but Mushu is a irritated gecko.
I mean, yeah, kind of. Who is actually mad, and then Mo'o is dragon. Mo'onui is dragon, but since he's small, I just said Mo'o. So I guess you're right. He is a gecko or a lizard. Yeah. This next one, let's jump to Tammy. Yeah, hopefully you remember what Tutua was.
The stitch one?
Yeah.
Tutua polu or stitch. Stitch monster. Stitch is a purple monster.
Not purple.
Blue, sorry.
Yeah, Stitch is a blue monster. Alien would have been good. I forget what alien is. Something ʻAʻA or something. Yeah. Don, you want to try this one?
Heliona Makona or Scar. Scar is a mean lion.
Yeah. And then lastly, Haley.
He'e Momona or Ursula. Ursula is a sweet octopus.
No.
Correct.
Wrong.
Kumu, you said that Momona is sweet, so when you called me Momona, you meant sweet, right?
I never called you Momona. I called me Momona, which I'm sweet. Hello. Okay.
Can we say juicy?
Yeah, we can say juicy.
Juicy it is.
PHAT, pretty hot and thick. Or Ursula. That's disgusting. Okay. So let's go into our breakout rooms, and what I want to have you guys do is just either create sentences or share the sentences that you guys wrote out, or if you guys want to be daring, choose characters and then kind of just go around the room or go around the breakout room and like maybe pull them up on your phone, and you can go like show your character and they can describe it. Yeah. So this is going to take a little bit longer, but we have about 20 more minutes left for normal class. So yeah, figure out what you guys want to do. I like it. There you go. We did this last time and it was great. Yeah, 4 is good. Okay, opening. Bye. Yes. Bye.
Hello.
Uh-huh. Oh,
So